In this video, we'll discuss exactly what is the meaning of mens rea. Mens rea means the guilty mind, which is the subjective guilt required for sustaining liability varies in the different offenses because mens rea may assume two distinct forms: wrongful intention or negligence. The wrongdoer may either have done the wrongful act on purpose, that is, intentionally, or done it carelessly. In both cases, he is held responsible for his act. In terms of mens rea, we have intentional or willful wrongs and wrongs of negligence. And now we'll discuss regarding the eclipse of mens rea. So, in the first class are wrongs of strict liability in which no form of mens rea is required as a necessary condition of responsibility. In the second class are wrongful acts to which are attached criminal sanctions which involve no mental stigma, light penalties imposed on the morally innocent for suffering the observance of certain minimum social requirements. For example, those found guilty of breaches of traffic laws. So, these are the meanings and conditions of mens rea and eclipse of mens rea. So, in the next video, we will discuss about strict liability.